Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your first time stopping by to this amazing channel. My name is Satin. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY baby hair scarf. I've been seeing this scarf trending on internet. I was like, let's DIY our own on a budget. So that is the ventilating net I showed you. Then the ventilating hook, you can actually use a crochet hook if you don't know how to use a ventilating hook. If you want me to make a video on that and on how you can use a crochet hook to ventilate, kindly please drop a comment below. Then this is the Xpression braiding hair I'm going to be using. If you don't want to use the Xpression braiding hair, you can actually use a woman hair. You can see I've already started ventilating. So now this is very important stage for you to watch. If you want to achieve this, it's very important for you to watch this stage. So on a line, I ventilate on a track, like on a hole. Then I skip 2 holes, then ventilate on a hole. I ventilate on only 4 holes on a track, you can see. Then I skip 3 track before I ventilate on the next track. You're going to see what I'm trying to explain, because we don't want the baby hair to be over full, so you don't need to ventilate on all the nets. No, you don't need that. Then you're going to see what I'm trying to see. You can see I skip 3 track, then ventilate on the next track, then I ventilate on a hole, then skip 2 holes, then ventilate on the next one. On each track I ventilate only on 4 holes. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, because this is a baby hair, we don't want it to be over full. So from the beginning of the video, I didn't show how I measured the net. I just put the net, that is the ventilating net, on my hairline. Then I measure it out. Then I use a eyebrow pencil to mark out where I want it to stop, because I don't want to over ventilate, you understand? So that is a guideline for you also. So when we are done ventilating, I'm going to take my straightener to straighten the front. I want it to be sleek. You know, this is a synthetic hair, not a human hair, so that it's going to lay down perfectly fine when we want to lay the edges down. So the next step now, we are going to be making use of scarf and hot gum. You have to fold the sleek scarf. You have to use a sleek scarf. Any scarf you think you don't need again at home like this, I don't use it. I just abandon it in a jar. So I just pick it up. So to make this DIY, then I glue the tip of the scarf into two. I glue it down so that when I want to tie it, it will be easier for me to do. You understand? So after that stage, then I want to lay down want to lay down our edges that we create. I made a mistake here. Then you see the mistake. I used a lot of glue. The glue was already very light, which I made that mistake there. Nothing happened to it, nothing, but we don't need a lot of glue like mine. You just need a little. Just put it inside the light, then allow it to melt a little, then take it off, then use it to glue it little by little, not much like mine. Then now let's tie the scarf down. Oh my god, this came out so good. This is not for everybody. If you don't like it, no problem. It's not everybody that is going to love this, but this, the first time I saw this on internet, I love it, because sometimes my hair may be rough, or I want to go out without my hair done. I'll just throw it on, then lay it, then I'm ready to go. You understand? But this is not for everybody. If you don't like it, fine, it's okay. But if you like it and you want to do it, let me know how it came out. So that is it. So I'm going to lay the edge now. I'll lay it down. Some people can really lay the edge good than mine. So I'm not used to a lot of edges like this, you understand? But some people are perfect than me laying their edges. So this is the final look. You can rock with another hair scarf or cap, anyone you like. Thank you so much for watching. Please guys, please do not forget to like, please subscribe to this amazing channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.